In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update inbound Imap in Agile CRM for Gmail. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Go ahead and log into your Agile CRM account, and once you're in, look towards the top corner of the interface for your user icon. This is usually a small profile picture or an avatar. Click on that user icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Preferences. This is where you can control your personal settings. Inside the Preferences area, look for the Email section and click on it. This is where Agile CRM lets you configure how your email account connects to the system. Once you're in the email settings, you'll see different tabs or options. Make sure you select the Imap tab. Imap is the protocol that allows Agile CRM to read email from your Gmail inbox without removing it from Gmail itself. Now we're going to update the Imap details so they match Gmail's requirements. First, find the field labeled Imap host. In that field, type imap.gmail.com. This is the standard Imap server address that Gmail uses, and it tells Agile CRM where to connect to read your mail. Next, locate the port field. For secure Imap with Gmail, this should be set to 993. If you see any other number there, delete it and enter 993 instead. This port works together with encryption to keep your email connection secure. After that, update the username field. Make sure you enter your full Gmail address here, exactly as you use it to sign in to Gmail. That usually includes everything before and after the @ symbol. Then, move on to the password field. Here, you need to be a bit careful. If you have two-step verification enabled on your Google account, you cannot use your normal Gmail password. Instead, you must generate a Google app password from your Google account's security settings and paste that app password into this field. If you don't have two-step verification turned on, your regular Gmail password will typically work, but using two-step verification plus an app password is strongly recommended for better security. Once all of these fields are filled in correctly, look for the button labeled Verify and Save. Click that. Agile CRM will now test the connection to Gmail using the Imap host, port, username, and password you entered. If everything is correct, the settings will be saved, and your inbound Gmail messages will start syncing into Agile CRM via Imap. If you see an error, double-check each field carefully for typos, and that's all you need to update inbound Imap in Agile CRM for Gmail.